Daylight synchronization for outdoors. For this video, I will talk about daylight synchronization for the outdoors. Daylight synchronization is a flash technique that you can use to get better photos of people when photographing outdoors. For this video, we took photos in a park with many trees. It is a cloudy day and we are surrounded by trees and surrounded by a soft light. First, we'll take photos without a flash and just use the natural light. When the brightness of the entire screen is set to the correct exposure, the face ends up very dark. It's not a bad photo, but I don't really like how dark the face is. If the exposure is set to match the face, then the background will become too bright. Next, I will use a flash. This time, I'll use Kodak's AD100. First, I will try setting the flash to hit the subject directly from the front at the diagonal. The flash is about 2 meters distance from the subject. Let's take a photo. The photo looks like it was lit by a flash and looks rather flat. It's not a good photo. However, if your goal was just to light up the subject, this would be okay. But it's not the type of light that photographs a person beautifully. So this time, we will set the flash inside of the softbox. This softbox is 60 centimeters by 90 centimeters. We can't bring a large softbox with us to the outdoors, so this one is a little small. Let's take a photo. This one is very soft. The light intensity of the flash is weak, so let's make it a bit stronger. The flash and the background have become much more balanced. Let's go with this and take a few variations. It's very nice. Let's try taking photos near the stairs. This time, I tried making the light come from slightly farther back. The balance is good, and it appears as if sunlight is shining. The light is from slightly farther back and becomes like a backlight, so even when photographed at full length, the subject stands out very well. It's important not to make the light too strong in order to keep it looking natural. When doing daylight synchronization in an outdoor location, use a flash, but be cool and use it in a hidden way.